Welcome to HiTech Machinery, your premier partner in the plastic manufacturing industry. Our services extend beyond just delivering machinery. We offer installation, commissioning, maintenance, troubleshooting, and customized help to ensure your experience with us is nothing short of exceptional, including injection molding machines, screw air compressors, extrusion blow molding machines, plastic and rubber auxiliaries machinery, and more. We've showcased our commitment to innovation at major expos.
What a waste of love.
Our expert team is here to provide you with the best possible solutions tailored to your needs.